Welcome to Concrete Technology. Last time we have studied about air permeability test of cement, which test procedure and laboratory experiment I also share with you in WhatsApp and the below link. Now we are going to start new process of standard consistency test of cement, in which for finding out initial setting time and the final setting time and soundness of cement and test strength, a parameter known as standard consistency has to be used. It is present at this stage to describe the procedure of concluding standard consistency test. This stage of cement paste is defined as that consistency which will permit a wicket plunger having 10 mm diameter and 50 mm length to penetrate to a depth of 33 mm to 35 mm from the top of the mold as shown in figure. We show the figure after some basic information. The aperture is called wicket aperture. This aperture is used to find out the percentage of water required to produce a cement paste of standard consistency. The procedure of the standard consistency is the following procedure is adopted to find out standard consistency. Take about 500 grams of cement and prepare a paste with a weight quantity of water, say 24% by weight of cement. For the first trial, the paste must be prepared in standard manner and fill into the wicket mold within 3 to 5 minutes of making paste. After completing the filling the mold, shake the mold to expel air. Also the remove air and water content. A standard plunger 10 mm diameter, 50 mm long is attached and brought down to touch the surface of the paste. In the test block and quickly release, allowing it to sink into the paste by its own weight. Take the reading by noting the depth of penetration of the plunger. Conduct a second trial, say 25% of water. First time we are take 24% water, and this time we are going to take 25% water and find out the depth of penetration same as above. Similarly, conduct trial with higher and higher water cement ratio till such time the plunger penetrate for a depth of 33 to 35 mm from the top. The particular percentage of water which allow the plunger to penetrate only to the depth of 33 to 35 mm from the top is known as the percentage of water required to produce a cement paste of standard consistency. This percentage is usually denoted as P. The test is required to be conducted in a constant temperature 727 degree plus or minus 2 and constant humidity of 90%. The next test is about setting time of cement. An arbitrary division has been made for the setting time of cement as initial setting time and final setting time. Setting time of cement is that it is the decide of concrete at plastic level and hardness level. During plastic level, we have to have the cement is not fixed at this level and not being fixed at particular time. This is the standard penetration test for cement. The figure shown is that. Let us continue with our topic. For convenience, initial setting time is regarded as the time elapsed between the moment that the water is added to the cement to the time that the paste starts losing its plasticity, as I say, plastic condition. The final setting time is the time elapsed between the moment the water is added to the cement and the time when the paste has completely lost its plasticity and get the hardened surface and has attained sufficient fitness to resist certain definite pressure. The final and initial setting time generally taken for to make proper plasticity of cement and hardness of cement were using on the site and any construction work. In actual construction dealing with the cement paste, mortar or concrete, certain time is required for mixing, as I say, transporting, placing, compacting and finishing. During this time, cement paste, mortar or concrete should be in plastic condition that it is too easy with work, while concrete in plastic stage. During this test time, cement paste, mortar or concrete should be in plastic condition. The time interval for which the cement produced remain in plastic condition is known as the initial setting time. Normally a minimum of 30 minutes is given for mixing and handling operation. The basic time for cement initial time is 60 minutes. The constituent and fineness of cement is maintained in such a way that the concrete remain in the plastic condition for certain minimum time. Once the concrete is placed in the final position, completed and finished, it should lose its plasticity in earlier possible time so that it is least vulnerable to damage from external destruction. This time should not more than 10 hours, and generally the final setting time of concrete, cement, mortar is taken as or considered as 10 to 12 hours of making of construction. The figure is shown that the final setting time and initial setting time device. This is the Vickert aperture for testing permeability of cement, and also it is used to maintain cement water cement ratio. Final setting time. Replace the needle of the Vickert aperture by initial setting time. The Vickert aperture shown in figure 2.8 is used for setting time test also. The following process is adopted. Take 500 gram of cement sample and gauge it with 0.80 times the water required to produce cement paste of standard consistency of 0.85 p. How much amount of water we are used for making paste of cement, the percentage of that cement are taken as P of standard consistency. Start the stopwatch the moment water is added to the cement consistently in low amount. The temperature of water and that of the test room at the room temperature. Gauge shall be within 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. Now the initial setting time. Lower needle as shown in weaker temperature gently and bring it in contact with the surface of the test block and quickly release so that it's allowed to penetrate into the test block. We are made from the cement and water. In the beginning, the needle will completely pass through the test block, but after some time, when the paste starts losing its plasticity, it is very difficult to penetrate it into the test, and needle may penetrate only to the depth of 33 to 35 mm from the top. The period elapsing between the time when water is added to the cement and the time at which the needle penetrates the test block to a depth equal to 33 to 35 mm from the top is taken as initial setting time. Similarly, for final setting time, replace the needle for the weaker temperature by a circular attachment. The cement shall be considered as finally set when upon lowering the attachment gently cover the surface and test block are allowed to drop the pin suddenly, while the circular cutting edge of the attachment fails to do so. In other words, the paste has attained such hardness that the cement on center needle does not pierce through the paste more than 0.5 mm. Next time we are going to study about strength test and soundness test and heat of hydration too. After this stage we are going to complete our chapter at this stage.